One day, a parrot stole a piece of cheese and sat on a branch of a tree to eat it in peace. At the moment, a clever fox was passing by. "Sniff, sniff, what is that I smell?" he said. He stalked under the tree and saw the parrot. I'd like to have a bite of that cheese," he thought. The fox looked up at the parrot and said, "You're a fine parrot. What lovely shiny feathers you have. You are the king of the birds." When the parrot heard the praise of the fox, he became proud and happy. The parrot flopped his wings, and the fox went on, "You must have the most wonderful singing voice, king of the birds. Let me hear a sweet song." The parrot thought the fox could be right. "I am the king of the birds. I'll let him hear my sweet voice." The parrot opened his beak and began to sing. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Then the piece of the cheese fell down through the air. At once the fox ran to it and ate it up. Then the fox said to the parrot, "Silly parrot, that was the worst voice I ever heard. But the most of all, you're the most stupid bird I ever met. And thanks for the cheese." And he ran off into the woods.